Social media marketing is essential for promoting your brand. It helps you grow your audience and engage with them effectively. Start by defining your goals. What do you want to achieve? Next, identify your target audience. Who are they? What platforms do they use? Then research your competitors. See what works for them. Use this information to create a tailored strategy. Content is king. Create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Use a mix of formats, images, videos, and text. Plan a posting schedule. Consistency is key. Use tools to automate and manage your posts. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Create polls and ask questions. Build a community around your brand. Make your followers feel valued and heard. Regularly analyze your performance. Use analytics tools to track metrics like engagement and reach. Adjust your strategy based on the data. Stay flexible and adapt to changes. This ensures continuous growth and improvement.